You ever wake up and just not feel anything? Like, you should be excited. Maybe you have a day off, or you're finally doing something you used to love, but it's like the spark's gone. Everything feels gray, and the worst part, you start wondering if something's wrong with you. I've been there. I'm still kind of there, honestly. And lately I've been realizing this is one of the biggest long-term effects of narcissistic abuse that no one really talks about. I've caught myself coasting through days. I'm getting stuff done. I'm keeping life moving, but there's this underlying sense of emptiness. Like I'm surviving, but not really living. And I used to have joy. I used to wake up excited for projects, adventures, anything new. Now I have to work to feel even a little bit of that. It's like my emotional gas tank is always running low. There are moments where I'll smile or laugh or enjoy something, but it almost feels foreign. Like my body forgot how to feel good without bracing for something bad right after. Looking back, it makes sense. When you're with a narcissist, especially a covert one, every emotion gets policed. If you're too happy, they get annoyed. If you're excited about something, they mock it or ruin it. So eventually, your brain just stops getting excited. Because what's the point, right? Any joy I expressed was either dismissed, ignored, or turned into a problem. I remember times I'd be in a great mood and I'd get snapped at for being annoying or told to calm down. I started shrinking my emotions to keep the peace. Smaller reactions, less enthusiasm, less me. And that pattern stuck around, even after they were gone. This wasn't just about losing joy, it was about my body protecting me. Because every time I felt good around them, something bad usually followed. Joy became unsafe, excitement became a liability. So now, years later, when I try to feel good, part of me flinches. My body still thinks it needs to stay on guard. It's not that I'm joyless, it's that I train myself to mute the joy so I wouldn't get hurt again. It's hard to explain this to people who haven't been through it, because on the outside, you might look like you're fine. You show up to work, you laugh in conversations, you do the things you're supposed to do. But inside, you're disconnected, numb, like your heart is on airplane mode. For me, I've noticed that I'll even talk myself out of doing fun things. Like I'll say, I don't really feel like going, when deep down, I want to feel excited, but the feeling just isn't coming. Even in moments that should feel big, like hitting a milestone or seeing something I've been looking forward to, there's a flatness. And that's not because I don't care. It's because I spent so long suppressing joy that now I'm having to relearn it. If you relate to this, I want to be super clear about something. This is not a personality flaw. This is a trauma response. Your nervous system adapted to a high stress environment by lowering your emotional volume. You weren't allowed to feel freely, so you stopped feeling it all. You didn't become boring. You became protected. You're not broken, you're healing. And I know that sounds cliche, but it's the truth. Your emotions didn't disappear. They just went quiet to keep you safe. So, here's what I've been learning and what I'm trying to practice right now. 1. Give yourself permission to feel again. Start small. You don't need to force happiness, but you can let yourself enjoy things without guilt. Even if it's just sipping your favorite drink and really tasting it. Let yourself smile. Let yourself want something. 2. Chase curiosity instead of joy. Sometimes joy feels too far away, so instead I ask, what am I curious about today? That could be a new video idea, a new place to go, or even just trying something I haven't done in a while. Curiosity is a gentle way back into excitement. 3. Stop judging your flatness. There are days I still feel blah, but instead of panicking, I've started saying, okay, my body is still protecting me today. And that shift in mindset makes all the difference. Number 4, create space for joy to return. Joy needs room. So I've been cutting down on overstimulation, toxic scrolling, and pressure to be productive 24/7. Joy doesn't scream, it whispers, and I need quiet moments to hear it again. 5, celebrate the little sparks. When I do feel joy, whether it's from music, a joke, or a moment with my dog or my son, I try to lean into it. I say out loud, this is joy. And slowly, that helps rewire the part of me that forgot what it feels like. The truth is, you didn't lose your joy. It got buried under survival. And every time you let yourself feel even just a little bit, you're digging it back up. You don't need to wait for some big moment to start living again. You just need to make space for one small moment of aliveness at a time. If this video hit home, let me know in the comments. Have you felt this too? Like joy just doesn't hit the same? And if you're on that path of feeling again, comment, joy is coming back. Because it is, and so are you.